What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghostfighter 2T's, back with another video. And I just want to mess with y'all. Man, this may be one of the dopest videos I ever done for you guys, just because I'm bald-headed, and I know there's a lot of other guys out there that are bald-headed like me. So without further ado, we're gonna get right on into this. Yes, you see this shaver. They went with a dope outer box. It says metallic cordless three-headed rotator shaver with LED display. You know what I mean? He looking like, and it's by VjVjTAR. If I'm saying that wrong, I apologize. Let's get right on into it. And then it says VjVjTAR lithium battery included. Within it, because it's one whole piece, and you just charge it. And then it just says the same thing it says on this side. And then here's the front. There's the front of it. I've already tried this. I love this thing, man. And this is my first one. So I'm gonna give you price point, where I got it from, and how good it works. I got it from Burlington. Yeah, Burlington. If you have one of those where you live at. If you don't, you go find somebody that do, and you tell them to go buy you one, and you cash out them the money. So it was 20 bucks, Burlington, and it works amazing. These titanium, I'm gonna tell you everything that it has in it. So it has an LED display, shows remaining battery life and duration of your shaves. I'm gonna read it again. LED display shows remaining battery life and duration of your shaves. What? That is dope. So when you hit this little button right here, you cut it on, it'll show you what the percent of the clippers are at, and it'll also show you a display of how many times you can use a shaver. That's pretty dope, man. I'm in love with this thing, bro. I don't even know how to look at the camera right now. It's hard for me to focus. I'm really tired. I had a long week. And yeah. So it has 3 rotating heads. And I'm going to show you when I take it out what it all does. 3 rotating heads, and they do pivots. They pivot like this. And I'll show you that when I take it out. Cordless. See, it has nothing hooked to it, but you can still plug the cord underneath at the bottom. Stainless steel blades. So it should last you for some years. USB rechargeable battery built in. And look at what it is. The VjVjTAR is a wet or dry use. Like, as my buddy was telling me that's been shaving for a long time and doing his hair, he said to make sure that I put some aftershave up there, which has like alcohol and impurities that will help your skin be as smooth as mine. All right, so let's see what it says on the back so you guys have the information. It features a 3 rotating head, offers a class shave following the contour of your face. Can be used conveniently used on wet or dry hair. Built-in pop-up trimmer is perfect for sideburns. And so don't get it twisted. This is for sideburns. It's not really for this hair, but I made it work. A lot of people might be upset about that, but it's for sideburns. It's just to cut the sideburns down. Usable rechargeable battery, easy off and on power button, and quick release cover for easy. Excuse me. Help me get through this. Tired. For easy cleaning. Bonus protective cap included. You're gonna see that inside. Cordless, convenient for on the go. I've had this in my book bag all day, man, just cutting my hair. When I feel like it got hair on it each day, I just cut it, and it's back beautiful. This is from a shave this morning, man. So then it says detailed mustache, beards, and sideburns. Also, it'll do it all. I don't like the angle of the little blade, but you'll see it when I open it up. Waterproof, wet shaving, LED display power, LED display. So basically the same thing. It says what's inside the box. Cordless 3D shaver, blah, blah, blah. Y'all get it. Let's open this bad boy up. Love how the presentation of the box is amazing. inside. And then it gives you a nice little pamphlet. I like how they got this little chromey looking, and even the shaver itself is chrome. It comes with a little cleaning brush, a USB chargeable cable, a pop-up trimmer, charging port, and it shows the display of the power and the display of the of how much life is left, and a protective cap that comes with it. And it just shows you kind of pretty much how to shave your face and how you should angle it. Put your shaver against your skin, apply slight pressure, moving the shaver in slower circular motions. A lot of people going to fit it, because you got to think, these three blades got blades that are turning inside of it. So as you angle it on your face, you go in a circular motion and it'll pull the hair up inside of the blades as they're spinning. So my face is super smooth right now, man. I love this thing. It shows wash, charge, full, and lock. I don't know what lock means, but yeah, that's what the feature has. VjVjTAR 1-year warranty on it. I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. I'll take the top off of it. Got a little top. And it has there it is. There's a presentation of it now. Mine might be not as clean because I mean, it's got that chrome, black chrome on it, man. Look at that. Cut it on. Look, show how many uses it is. That's pretty dope. And it shows the percentage of, yeah, this thing is, oh, there's the cover. Pop that off and you go to cutting. Now, before I forget, I'll remind you what you're supposed to use on this. So if you take this off, it's a little button in the front. Boom, it pops up. And you see how it has those little actuators? That's what makes it be able to pivot those blades, is these three actuators. Now, that don't come apart, and these blades are stainless steel. And it even shows you that you need to have it in circular motion in order for this to work the best. Then you can pop the little button up on the back and shave and you know, do your sideburns and stuff like that. So there you have it. And what you want to do is, it has hair here from just me doing my hair now, because your hair just never stops growing. So what you want to invest in is you a can of air. Sorry, guys. What you want to invest in is you a can of air. And the reason why you want to invest into you a can of air, nice, right? Ooh, that could be a thumbnail. So why you want to invest into your can of hair? And that's a charge port. Yep, it has its own charge port, so you can't use no random charge cord. So keep up with your charge cord. Put it somewhere where you know that you can easily find it. So the reason why you want to get a can of air, because that hair gets so built up. So you want to get you a can of air, about $7, $8, and every time you use it, after a while, when it's time to clean it out and get all the hair out of it, you can really blow all the dirt and gunk and stuff out of there and give those blades a chance to I guess be cleaned. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't want to make it any longer than 8 minutes. I love you guys. Go try this new awesome lithium VjVjTAR beast mode. This thing is amazing. It's the second best thing that I've ever gotten. The first best thing I've ever gotten that my wife bought me, which she bought me both of these, was a thermos, a 64-ounce thermos that you can drink out of and pour ice in, and it stays cold all day. This is the second best thing she's ever bought me. And I would say zero best thing she ever bought me if I'm going to put one there that's up on a teeter-totter, the PS5. So I love you guys. God bless y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This your boy Ghost 2 T's. And I'm out.